Louisville, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, The Colony, and the National Weather Service issued a thunderstorm warning for Kaufman County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Trenton to near Ferris, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These are destructive storms with tornado-like wind speeds. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Radar indicated. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Terrell, Seagoville, Forney, Kaufman, Maybing, Crandall, Combine, Talty, Camp, Grays Prairie, Cottonwood, New Terrell City Lake, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Elmo, Scurry, Oak Grove, Post Oak Bend City, Rosser, Oak Ridge, and Ola. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 486 and 5. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for north central Texas. These storms have a history of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service enforced a thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time and 6:48 p.m. Central Standard Time. All hazards radio. 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. Radar indicated. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rowlett, Rockwall, Greenville, Commerce, Roy City, Keith, Tech, West Peloponney, Gold City, Cattle Mills, East Peloponney, Celeste, Campbell. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fannin County in north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:51 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitewright, or 10 miles southwest of Bonham, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fannin County in north central Texas until 7:45. For your protection, get inside us. At 6:51 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitewright, or 10 miles southwest of Bonham, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bonham, Leonard, Honey Grove, Savoy, Ector, Trenton, Dodge City, Ravenna, Bonham State Park, Lake Bonham, Valley Lake, Randolph, Crockett Lake, Coffee Mill Lake, Boyd, Ladonia, Bailey, Wyndham, Telephone and Cotton Center. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for north central Texas.
For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.